Want to change the language in the CamScanner app on your iPhone? Here's the quick and easy way to do it. First, open the CamScanner app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now go to Scan. After that, tap on the Select Language. Here you'll see the list of available languages for the CamScanner app. Simply scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. Once you tap on a language, the app will usually save the changes automatically. In some cases, you may need to close and reopen the app for the new language to fully apply. For example, if you switch from English to Arabic, the entire CamScanner interface will change to that language. If you don't see the same options on your screen, it may depend on your app version or iPhone iOS version, but the steps are mostly similar. And that's it. That's how you can change the language in CamScanner on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials and app guides.